Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 widgets that you can possibly add to the home screen of this device. So let's go ahead and start. In order to access the widget menu, you gotta either make the shrink and swipe or tap and hold on any vacant space you have on your home screen. Press on this plus button that is located on the top left corner of your display. And here we have the widget menu. All the widgets are divided into convenient categories. So that's kind of nice. The first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar widget. It is located in the Google category, so just look for Google, tap on it, and choose the home screen and the location that you would like to see this widget at. I'll just leave it here, press on done, and after that I'll just go ahead and make the widget a little longer, just like that. So the second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the clock widget. It is usually located at the first available category in here. Just choose the clock design that you'd like. I'll go with this one, just because this clock not only provides us with current time, but also gives us a general idea of what is the weather like today. And I will put it to the bottom of this home screen, just like this. Press on done, and that was it for the time widget. And the third and the final widget for this video that I would highly recommend on getting is the YouTube music video. So basically, it doesn't matter what service you use for listening to music. If you use Spotify, you will have the Spotify widget, but in my case I'll just add this YouTube music widget that allows you to manage the playlist of yours and manage the music that you're currently listening to. And I'll drop it to any other home screen, for example this one. Press on done, and once you'll have any music playing, you'll be able to pause it, choose next or previous track, and etc. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.